Good morning to everyone. Today in this class we are going to see the second prose, A Nice Cup of Tea by George Orwell. Before going into the lesson very elaborately, let us see the short hint so that it will be easier for you to understand further while we are saying or understanding or seeing very elaborately in the further classes. See, author gives 11 points on how to make a nice cup of tea in this lesson. But he says no cookery books have any evidence or instructions about how to prepare a cup of tea. It is the mainstay in all country. Mainstay means important in all country. They are using very importantly. Tea is the most important thing in all country, but in cookery books it did not take any place, so that he is giving 11 points. Among that, he is accepting 2 points are agreeable to everyone, and at least 4 points will be a controversial one. Controversial one means argumentative one. In the first point, he is saying Indian tea and China tea. Just he is making the difference between Indian tea and then China tea. And in second point, he is saying quantity of tea and pot size. How much quantity we should prepare, and what is the size of the pot we have to use while preparing tea. And pot warm beforehand in third point. We should warm the pot before the tea is prepared. In the fourth point, measurement of tea powder and water and strength. How much tea should be added, tea powder should be added to the how much amount of water, and what may be the strength of the tea if you add like that. He was saying in the fourth point, should not use strainers. In fifth point, he was saying you should not use any filters while you are preparing the tea. Type of water for tea. In sixth point, he was saying whether we have to use fresh water or ordinary water for preparing tea, and whether it give any changes while preparing or while using different kind of water. And in seventh point, stir the tea after the preparation. After the preparation of tea, what we have to do, that is the thing he was saying in the seventh point. And in eighth point, use a cylindrical cup, not shallow one. How we should use, how what type of cup we should use while we are drinking the tea, it is the eighth point. Ninth point, cream should be removed from milk. While we are adding the milk, we should not add the cream with the decoction, it will give a sticky taste. And then in 10th point, whether to pour milk first or tea first. This is the argumentative, that is controversial point in his view, whether you have to pour milk first in the cup or tea first in the cup. The controversies are explained. 11th point, whether to add sugar or you should not add sugar. What kind of people will add sugar and what kind of people will not add sugar. These are the 11 points he was giving. And in the 12th point, it is not the 12th point, it is the concluding point. In this concluding point, he was saying about the other uses of tea leaves. Come on, let us go into the lesson.